I'm Shirley Ho. I'm a professor. I study astrophysics, physics, computer science, and a bit of theater.
Wow. What's the universe made of?
The universe is made of many things. So things that made up both of us, called baryons, like protons, neutrons, electrons. That's about 5% of the universe. There is another 25% of universe comprised of something called dark matter. We don't know what that is. All we know is that it interacts gravitationally. What it means is that we know that it's there because it's moving other things that we can see by its mass being there. And there's a third thing, which is about 70% of the universe, like a huge amount of the universe is made of dark energy. And we don't know what that is, except it appeared in Marvel Universe movie. But for a more serious answer, we actually really don't know what dark energy is.
Wow.
It's either that Einstein is wrong, or we have to discover some new form of energy.
What's the shape of the universe?
This is a very difficult question because there is the universe we can see and observe. So that's called the observable universe, the stuff that we have seen. For that, we think from our perspective, where we are, we look out towards, everywhere. It feels like it looks like a sphere around us, but that's only what we can see out of where we are, right? And then there's the universe that we did not see and we do not see, because just even with the most powerful telescope, we won't see it because it takes that much time for light to get to us. And the universe has only been around a certain time, so the light has only there's only that much time light can get to us. So there's a huge amount of universe we don't see. So we don't know what that shape is.
What secret do you most want to find out?
Ooh, what secret would I most like to find out? This is a very difficult question. For cosmologists, we want to know exactly what happened at the beginning of the universe, like what happened very, very first second, and what the universe is made of. We said we don't know what dark energy is, what dark matter is, and how would the universe end? Like, what happened billions and gazillions years from now? So I think these are the three big questions of the universe.
So how do you want to find out?
We do a lot of different things. I analyze data from space. So all this data come to us, and I analyze it with artificial intelligence method, with traditional methods, and try to figure out basically all the three questions I talked about at the beginning, the contents, and the end of the universe.
Do you think anybody created the Big Bang to make the universe?
I think if anybody does, it would be a really interesting person or entity, because that could be really hard to do. Because there's a lot of energy, we don't know how it begins, and I don't know, that entity or person would be blown into pieces because that's so much energy was involved at the beginning when the universe came into being.
Wow. Why do you think kids should be excited for science?
Why would kids want to do science? I hope they do, partially because we need all the scientists in the future to figure out, space,
Yeah.
Earth, how we're going to live here for a while, given how much we are doing to Earth.
Yeah. Thank you for coming.
Thanks for asking all the questions.